Earth. Riding a bike on Earth? Perfect. Wind in your hair, gentle resistance from the air, gravity keeping you planted exactly where you should be. You hop on, pedal, lean into a corner, coast downhill like an absolute champion. Beautiful. 10 out of 10. This is what bikes were made for. But on Mars, there is low gravity, thin atmosphere, about 1% of Earth's air pressure. You pedal, and it actually feels surprisingly good. You're gliding, you're light, you're smiling under your helmet, thinking maybe this planet gets unfair press. And then the dust storm arrives. Mars dust storms can engulf the entire planet for months. Visibility drops to 0 in seconds. The dust is electrostatically charged and clings to absolutely everything. You cannot see. You cannot stop. You are now a bicycle-shaped dust cloud, moving at moderate speed toward an unnamed crater. Good luck out there. The moon. Though gravity is 1/6 of Earth's. Sounds fun, right? You hop on, you pedal once, and now you're floating 2 feet above the seat, like an astronaut who forgot they're on a bicycle. Every pedal stroke launches you into a slow, confused arc. You're not cycling, you're just bouncing in a spacesuit, in complete silence because there's no air, so there's no sound. Just the crushing existential quiet of a person trying to pop a wheelie 384,000 kilometers from home. Also, the moon's surface is coated in regolith, powdery, razor-sharp dust that gets into every single moving part within seconds. Your gears seize up. Your chain is gone. Congratulations, you've built a very expensive sculpture. Mercury. On Mercury, no real atmosphere. Low gravity, about 0.38 grams, so you're already floating light on the pedals. But here's the issue. You parked your bike in direct sunlight. Surface temperature, 430 degrees Celsius. Your tires are now a liquid. Your seat is a memory. You, hopefully, left before any of this happened. Mercury does not care about your weekend plans. Venus. Venus has atmosphere, finally. 90 times the pressure of Earth. That's like being 900 meters underwater. The air is so thick and dense that aerodynamic drag is essentially a wall of invisible concrete. You attempt half a pedal rotation. The air pushes back like it has a personal grudge. And then the temperature, 475 degrees Celsius. The sulfuric acid clouds are already drizzling. Your bike isn't melting. It already melted. You melted first. The atmosphere on Venus is so aggressive, it has flattened and destroyed every probe we've ever sent within 2 hours. Your bicycle lasted 40 seconds. Honestly, impressive. Neptune. Supersonic wind speeds of 1,300 miles per hour. You do not get on the bike. The bike does not exist long enough to be gotten onto. You think about the bike, but the bike is already in another time zone. Jupiter. Jupiter has no surface. This is critical information you should have had before arriving. You fall. For a very long time. Wind speeds hit 400 miles per hour within moments. The bike is gone. You are also gone. The atmospheric pressure increases steadily, and scientists take you and your bike remains into a museum. Just stick to Earth where the gravity is right. The air is breathable. The temperature won't kill you in 40 seconds. And your bicycle, remarkably, just works. Ride it in the park while you still can.